All right, folks, back for round 2. What happens in prophase? In prophase, our DNA coils, because we're going to move it around, our spindle forms, and our nucleus degrades. That's how you can identify prophase. In metaphase, our chromosomes move to the middle metaphase. And anaphase, our chromosomes split and move to opposite ends. That was supposed to be opposite. All right, telophase is the opposite of prophase. So now my DNA, instead of coiling, is going to uncoil. My spindle, instead of forming, is going to degrade. And my nuclei, because now I have 2, instead of degrading, are going to form. Number 11, what are the phases of mitosis in order? Be able to identify them by diagram. So we did your digital notebooks. We did mitosis, meiosis, sort. You have pictures in your notes. So in order, they're PMAT, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. And meiosis in order, we're going to have PMAT 1s, and then we have PMAT 2s, all right? And you can tell the difference between these two, because in PMAT 1, there's only 1 cell until the very end, and in PMAT 2, there's always 2 cells until the very end when you're going to have your 4. Why is variation important? All right, it allows species to survive, allows species to adapt and survive disease. And notice I say species and not individuals, okay? Because not always all individuals survive and adapt, just the best fit ones. All right, what is crossing over and when does it occur? Crossing over is when segments, let's fix that, segments of homologous chromosomes exchange. So they break off of each other and they switch. This occurs right at the beginning of meiosis in prophase 1. What is binary fission? Binary fission is how bacteria divide, which is very simple compared to us because there's no nucleus, so they just copy their DNA and they just split. They make little clones of themselves. All right, on to karyotypes. Make sure you know how to identify the sex of an individual, the number of autosomes, the number of sex chromosomes. So we did the notes on karyotypes, we did a karyotype worksheet, and you were supposed to do a karyotype lab. So what information can you tell from a karyotype? Well, you can tell gender, so if they're male or female, and if there is a disorder. You can't tell by looking at it what their hair is going to be or anything like that. You can't tell what their personality is going to be like. All you can tell is if they're male or female and if they have the normal number of chromosomes or not. Autosomes are chromosomes that determine body structure. Okay. And by the way, normally, if you're normal, you have 44 of them. All right, sex chromosomes determine gender. And normally, you have 2 of them if you're normal. What are the 2 kinds? So if you are a female, you have 2 huge X's. And if you are male, you have a huge X and a tiny, oh, there it is, tiny little Y, okay? And it's not shaped like a Y, it's just small, and that's what they call it, is a Y. All right, guys, that's it. So if you complete this, make sure you throw it in the Dropbox. It is optional. You can use it on your test along with your notes if you do it. And so best of luck to y'all. Bye.